Yo.
Is any of that dirty?
Nah. Yeah, that shirt, that's your shirt I got into the little scuffle with. Malik ain't that good. You know, LeGarrette be ball hog. I would have put LJ on him. I don't even think they got a bit, man. So, we beat a 97, 95, 96. Well, hold on. It's more, yeah, you're right. We sure didn't have no bid.
Always clean your room before you do anything. That way, whatever, so a good energy in the room. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Put that in the dirt cloth. You can do that later. You do that shoe stuff on you when I'm gone. Just gonna clean up this part. Who is this on their phone? Who is this? What y'all boy got going, man? Y'all doing good? Y'all had a good Christmas?
Yeah.
What y'all get for Christmas?
I went to the movie.
Who? LJ?
Yeah.
What you got, Trent?
I got me some 12, bro. And I got me some stat pants and some blue top.
Right there. But shit, when I get back to Arb, I'm gonna run with y'all on that 2K, bro. I got a shroom guard. I don't know what the hell I got, but it ain't gonna matter.
Alright.
We'll do that when I get back. What you trying to do?
I don't really care for real.
Shit, let's play. We play goddamn.
I hit y'all up later, bro.
Play NCAA and 2K.
We play 2K first.
I ain't played 2K in forever, cuz.
I ain't played 2K for now in a little bit. So, yeah.
Who you rock, paper, scissors for home?
Rock.
Hold on.
Rock, paper, scissors.
You get a Hornets?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go Thunder. Really should have went Timberwood though, for real. I'm gonna go Timberwood. What color you wearing?
This one.
Put the minutes on.
6.
Damn.
You can change it.
Okay.
Thank you, man.
Shit get crazy in the 2K shit. See, Jup is an NCAA player. I'm a 2K player, but I haven't played 2K and I don't know how long. I really don't know how this is gonna go.
LaMelo averaging more than 30. Oh my gosh.
He ain't finna get 30 this game.
Everybody got their own opinion.
What?
Everybody got their own opinion. You never know. I might end up the game with 40.
You not.
Are you saying that or?
I'm telling you.
Okay.
You beat me on one-on-one, I gotta tear your ass up in this shit. I'm a little stupid, I ain't gonna lie, but I don't like losing.
Is that not charge?
Good shit, man.
Is that not a charge?
I send a screen with Brandon Miller on Rudy Gobert.
That's not a charge.
I mean, send a charge. Like, come on. That.
Okay.
I know what you want, bro.
So now I have to lock in.
I know what you want, bro.
There we go. Oh my god, this game.
Get out of that, man! I ain't come to play with these young niggas.
Ball to be nil, man.
I ain't come to play with these young niggas.
Damn.
I get in that 2-3 on your ass. You won't know what to do. Put your ass in the box.
Promise I can shoot. Man. The team basketball, man. Love the way.
You down replay, man. Damn. Barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god, who is this nigga?
LaMelo Ball.
I'm talking about you.
LaMelo Ball. Come on, Josh Green. IMG Academy. Whoa, why did it just move me?
Fuck about no Josh Green.
It just moved me
fuck
back.
About no Josh Green. IMG Academy.
It just moved me back.
Sorry, we're having technical difficulties. Phone died.
Bro, shoot the left hand, Julius Randle.
He said, nah, I ain't starting. I started Naya Reid. I like Naya Reid.
Well, yeah. Come on. Smooth player in the NBA. Look at that. And one!
Mike Conley just so damn small, bro.
Can we get a switch? Can we get a switch going on? I love it. Ooh, Lord. Reset. Woo!
This nigga hooping.
Come on, Caleb. Come
Oh,
on.
damn.
Whoa, you got the wrong person on
Oh,
end.
hell yeah.
I'm gonna just have to let him shoot. I'm just have to.
That's a good foul.
You got Dante DiVincenzo on the game. Oh yeah, you're.
No way.
I love it. Don't miss. I knew he was gonna miss too. Get ball back. Get ball back. Get ball back. Stop ball. Please stop ball. Bro, I don't understand. Like it's so delayed. It's just just
Little
not.
ass nigga, man. To do it.
We're gonna take him out of the game or switch.
Man, how you think I feel? Mike Conley and goddamn LaMelo. Just taking it out, shit.
Okay, like he really, huh? Is he pool?
Do it, y'all. My boy Rob in soon.
We're gonna take advantage of him.
Who, Rob?
Yes.
Why you lost your mind?
What did you do?
Hey!
Bro, what is he? Oh, Rudy Gobert injured. Yeah.
Fuck no.
Oh, still, it's okay. I'm challenging. I can't tell. Bro, this game, bro. That's all ball. That's all ball.
Come on, Joe.
That's all ball. That's all ball, bro.
Come on, Joe.
That's all ball. They cheat.
Nobody's cheating.
Yeah, you buck right now.
I'm in a bonus.
Okay.
Lay his stupid ass.
Dude, it's like nobody wants to play defense today. Like
You just doing your ass. It's just what I do. You know? Oh my God, these niggas are playing great defense. No, it's not your shot.
it's not my shot today, huh?
I'm so fucking tough. Like, that's crazy. Obviously, the difference between me and him, man, this man is a great basketball player. Don't get me wrong. But I have a basketball IQ. You feel me?
Bro.
These niggas just trying to score out tray balls. Come on, man. There's levels to this shit, for real. And it's just 2K.
Bro, Rob don't have any play good since. Give it to him. That's Birdie. I'm taking this all the way. Doing that run.
And one, nigga.
Dude, it stops Mark every time. Like, what is you doing?
And one.
Oh my God.
I put the nigga on my back,
bro. I'm not talking about him. I get that, but Mark is not playing.
Hell yeah.
You know what, bro? You know what?
Hell
Yeah, bro. This game not for me.
Oh, that's easy. That's fucking easy.
It literally.
Cause he's small, bro. You're doing the same thing, though, bro. You're literally doing the same thing.
I can't stand this game.
I'm just gonna stop, and you not.
You know what? You're right. This game not for me. I'm just stick to my big man.
Bro, stop down yourself because you lose.
Get my points. What?
No.
Oh my gosh, I can't shoot none today, can I?
D.
Eyeball. Come on, there we go.
The fuck?
But why did the big man stop coming though? That's go bird thing. What, bro?
Oh my God. Oh my God. This nigga's tough, cuz.
Bro, oh my, bro, this is like really insane.
Oh shit.
You forgot about that? One stop, man. One stop. Yeah.
Fuck.
Too scared. Get rebound. 2 7-footers can't get a rebound, but Anthony Edwards can.
Stop playing with me, boy. Stop playing with me, boy. I hit clutch buckets.
You weren't even supposed to get that
Whatever.
rebound.
Well.
Oh gosh. ISO.
That could literally happen in real life.
Go get a bucket.
Fuck out of here.
Dude, but when he does it with Anthony Edwards, bro, like it's not a problem. Can we please get a rebound? What is Miles standing down there for?
Hey!
This is insane, dude. Like,
oh my God!
Top tier troll. You're trolling today.
Your defense, I'll take it.
I can't even make a free throw with LaMelo Ball.
I'm on this nigga ass, y'all.
You want me to cook some meatballs today?
Hey!
I don't care. Game is not over. Game is far from over.
Put some respect on AE name.
This is like what?
Put some respect on Anthony Edwards' name.
Like, what is this?
How much you said LaMelo was gonna have?
30.
Oh my God!
Let's be real,
Bruh.
ain't no matter no more, does it? Like, he can have the win.
Let's go.
Have the win.
Let's go.
This game is
Just admit it.
like this game is
Just
top
admit
tier
it.
glaze. This game is top tier glaze,
Just admit it.
No,
Admit it.
top tier glaze, bro.
Bruh, just admit it. I admit that he's a better NCAA player than me, but he won't admit that I'm a better 2K player than him.
It was top tier.
Admit it, bro.
It was top tier glaze.
Admit it.
Let me use my real team.
No, bro. We're not doing that,
Let me use my real team.
We're not
Let me
doing
use my
that,
real team, bro. Let me use my real team, bro.
Admit it, bro.
You better than me in 2K, bro.
Thank you.
Okay, now running back, bro. Alright, this game.
I can't be stopped, bro. I'm back.